I am the facilitator of chemistry IBDP, and this is a chemistry lab. This is our school mission. So from here, let's take a visit of chemistry lab. So we are just following all the rules of COVID strictly. No mask, no entry. Let's take a visit of chemistry lab. Here, right from starting, this is automatic power cutoff whenever there is a short circuit. So there is automatic power cutoff over here, from here. Now we'll enter into the lab. So this is the sanitizer, and this is a thermometer without no contact thermometer. So we only allow students by after going through these processes. This is our notice board. Here we are mentioning each and everything, the safety rules, the do's and don'ts. So here, these are the responsibilities for facilitators, students, the primary chemistry laboratory safety concerns, and these are the safety instructions for the students. Here, these are the do's in the lab, chemistry lab. These are the don'ts in the chemistry lab, and that is our school laboratory policy. So from here we are moving towards our lab. So this is our chemistry lab. There are 4 different rows where students just stand and perform their practicals. So in one row we just stand only 2 students. They will perform their practical by maintaining the social distance. These are the different racks provided to the students where they will keep their chemicals. This is a sink where they can wash their glasswares, and these are the different racks which are provided to keep their materials. Now moving ahead, this is the teacher's table. Here all the stock registers are kept for consumable and non-consumable materials in the chemistry laboratory. That is the power socket inspecting register. From here we can move ahead. This is the another row where students perform their practicals. Those are the different charts placed for the help of students on the walls. We are also having exhaust in our lab so that the fumes could go out of the lab. This is a gas pipeline where this is the wall for inlet and outlet of the gas. The cylinder is kept outside of the lab so that there will be no damage from the gas. This is a gas pipeline which is present on each slab. Students can use the gas from here. Now coming ahead, this is a physical weighing balance. And for safety precautions, we are having this eye washer and this shower. If any chemical goes into the eyes of the students, they can wash their eyes from here by using this eye washer, and they can also take a shower from here. Moving ahead, this is a fume hood where we just dilute our strong acids here so that the fumes which are coming out during the dilution can go out. So this is like an exhaust. So this is a fume hood. This is our storeroom. Students are not allowed and they are not permitted to enter in this storeroom. These are the different almirahs for keeping the glasswares, for keeping the chemicals in the glassware, and these are being locked and cannot be touched by any other. So all the chemicals are kept over here, the glasswares, everything is kept in these locked almirahs. These are the different reagent bottles where the solutions of different concentrations are made. These are again for safety purpose, fire blankets if any conduct is there or any fire injury is there, so that for that these fire blankets are used. These are the goggles for the protection of the eyes. These are the lab coats. No student is allowed to enter into the lab without wearing these lab coats. We are also using the sensors. Different sensors are there. Like this is a drop counter which we use during the time of titrations. Now, this is our another showroom where we keep our old records. And these almirahs are for keeping the glasswares like beakers, conical flasks, test tubes. So these are the almirahs for keeping the glasswares. Thank you.